Alright, this is my work for the recursive fractals for week 2, problem 1 for computer science 3-4. So this is a recursive program that uses recursion to create a Sierpinski triangle, which is a fractal. It starts off with getting a depth from a user down here. This is very simple actual running. You get a depth from the user up to 7, and then you get some other basic stuff. But the core of the thing is this: there's a base case, which shows a triangle with set, array. It's done in an array so that I can keep on adding without messing up too much. And then I draw the triangle, and that's the base case if n is 0. But for every single recursion, I start at the top, and then every time I go down and try and get a set of points, which goes down until the base case, and then for each one of those, it finds it creates a set of 3 points for every previous triangle. It creates a triangle, 3 triangles for every previous triangle, and that keeps on going up and kind of caps out at a depth of 7, because beyond that it takes too long to run. But it works pretty well, and I can just run it here for a max of 7. That will take a couple seconds, but it should be no big deal. One of the things that runs pretty good in here is the actual recursion, because I think I don't understand it completely, but it works pretty well. And I think that's always been good here, and that's nice. But something that's a little clunky is kind of how all the different stuff works. Let's just do it on a lower depth. How all the arrays work, because you have to map stuff specifically. So I had some problems initially with the triangles not going correctly, and that created some problems. But if it's all sorted out now, and once I've got this done, I can actually go on to make probably more complex fractals and other stuff like that, which is nice. And yeah. So I like it. It looks nice.